All right, last time it flooded, it got really close to this door. So put up a little block foam here. It's sprinkling right now, but I'm gonna see if I can get some high-tack vinyl to seal this up. Well, not our prettiest vinyl work, but hopefully it'll work in keeping the water out. There goes Sally. She's gonna drive the Mr. Postman van home. We're in the middle of Hurricane Debby, sort of. It's been raining a lot. We have taken high-tack vinyl substance 444, hoping this is going to save our building. We shall see. We heated it up here, and around. Took a piece of ACM for our entrance here. That way we didn't have to go all the way around and ruin our doors. We could step over this board and get to it. So if it does flood, hopefully we're okay. So just a reminder, if you don't know, we've been through several hurricanes here. As everybody knows, hurricanes have gotten worse over time. We have had 2 100-year floods here in the past 10 years. So they're really no longer 100-year floods. We had Hurricane Matthew that came in and flooded downtown. We had Hurricane, God, what was the other one? Start with an S, like an F, like Francis or something. It wasn't Floyd, it wasn't Fran. Those were 2 huge ones that hit us in Greenville. Florence, Hurricane Florence hit us, and that one did a lot of damage downtown. Last year I posted a video where water touched the back corner of our building. That was after 9 inches of rain. We are expecting between 12 and 18 inches of rain. It could get bad, y'all. So we're having to take some precautions. Most stuff in the shop is high off the ground. My biggest concern is the flatbed printer, which has like a computer electronics really low. And also our digital press is really low. Everything else is very high. Everything else is on stands. So I think what we're gonna do tomorrow is around the digital press, around the flatbed, take some Coroplast, make a box, and then use some high-tack vinyl around that to kind of build up a little bit of a moat, just in case water penetrates inside the building. Scary stuff. All right, today is Wednesday. We're supposed to get the brunt of Debby today and tomorrow. Our biggest worry is gonna be after Debby. It's gonna be the floodwaters that come down afterwards. Someone reminded me there is a door in our alley in the back that I have not plugged up yet. My landlord accesses that to get to the upstairs. They just use the upstairs for storage right now. So first thing this morning, I need to take care of that. Floodwaters are going to permeate through brick, but it will definitely slow it down. So the key is, if it's going to be 15 inches outside of this door here, maybe we could mitigate enough so that only 4 inches gets inside the shop. That's the idea. Before the waters recede, and then we'll be in the clear. Hey little guy, you enjoying all this wet weather? Woo! All right, guys, we did it. We survived Tropical Storm Debby, completely unscathed. Riding around, top down in the Jeep. good feeling to come after the storm. The official classification of the flood we had downtown was a minor flood. Another less than a foot more of water in the swamp that's next to our downtown, and it would have been a major flood. Funny story about that is Monday before the storm started, one of my clients took it upon himself to check out this supposed large beaver dam that was in our swamp that was really blocking things up. And he hired a ballistics guy to come in and blow the beaver dam up. When he did that, the water levels went down 1 foot 1 inch before the storm. And so that act alone literally might have saved a lot of downtown Whiteville. Amazing what can happen when just an individual takes charge and makes something happen. Pretty cool. Hey, we did get quite a bit of work done. I mean, there was nothing else for us to do. We stayed open. We were able to get a lot of work. So here's the little montage of all the work that we did this past week. Someone asked the other day how I line up for laser cutting. Sometimes I use dots. With a square thing like this, I just use the corners of this frame. And I got the outside frame showing output. And so I'm gonna hit frame. And it'll show you if it's lined up or not. So you can see it going all the way down that edge there. So what I'll do, I got a bunch of these to cut handles into for cheer signs, so I'm gonna lay down some tape for alignment and we'll be good to go. All right, so I got a bottom tape and tape on the sides there, so I'll shut this, turn the actual laser on. I'm gonna turn off the output here and turn on the output for the handles. You can see the handles are pink. All right, so that is the only thing that is gonna get lasered, and I'm gonna hit start. I do 40% power and 40 millimeters per second speed for coroplast with my machine. Works for me. So, see how it goes. All right, one handle cut. Now it's basically just perforated. You just poke it out. Hard to do one-handed. They wanted this to be vertical flip, so it says white on this side, then they flip it over this way, and it's got the S. So the next one is as simple as putting in here, lining it up with the tape, hitting start. Not the final product, but kind of a cool look.
Yeah.
All right, we got a little Bladen County action here. Columbus County and Robinson County. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Leave some comments below. Hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Take care, guys. Bye.